Welcome to class 4, subject social studies. Today's topic is our national symbols. Look at the pictures given below. The first picture given here is a boy with a school bag. Now this is a symbol given. These symbols you can see near your school. That means the people who see this symbol, they should understand that there is a school nearby and we should not horn here or we should not ride our vehicle very fast because anytime the child can come, okay, because they are small, they don't know the most of the rules. Then this is the symbol of rupee, okay, and this is a symbol of hospital. If there is a hospital nearby, you can see this cross. Then this is a symbol of a mountain, okay. So these symbols, now these pictures are examples of signs and symbols. They stand for something and tell us important things. Our country, India, too has some symbols. These are called national symbols. Okay. So, India also has certain symbols and those symbols are known as national symbols. They stand for our country. The national flag, the national anthem and the national emblem are the main national symbols of our country. So what are the three main national symbols of our country? The national flag, the national emblem and the national anthem. Okay. Let us learn more about our national symbols. The first one is national flag. The national flag of India or the Indian tricolor is a symbol of freedom and unity of our country. So you can see here, this is the national flag. How many colors does it have? It has 3 colors. That's why we call it as national flag or tricolor. Okay. Next, all Indians must respect and honor the national flag. It is rectangular in shape with 3 equal bands. So can you see the shape of the flag? It is rectangular in shape. Okay, and also it has 3 equal bands. Okay, so 3 bands are all equal to each other. The top band has a deep saffron color. This stands for the strength and courage of the country. So the top band, the color is saffron color or orange. Okay, it has a meaning. Why it is saffron? Because this stands for strength and courage, that all as the citizens of India, we have great strength and courage for our country. The middle band is white. It stands for peace and truth. In the center of the white band, there is a wheel or chakra in navy blue color. It has 24 spokes. The wheel stands for dharma and change. Okay, so the center band, the color of the center band is what? It is white in color, and in the middle we have the chakra. Now this chakra is also called the Ashoka chakra. It is navy blue in color. Okay, what is the color of the chakra? It is navy blue in color and it has got 24 spokes. Okay, like how you have in your bicycle, there is in the wheel you have the spokes, the lines which are there. In the same way, the chakra has got how many spokes? 24 spokes. The wheel stands for dharma. Dharma means the right way to live. Okay, what is dharma? The right way to live. The green band at the bottom stands for growth and prosperity. Okay, what is the meaning of the green color? It stands for growth and prosperity. As Indians, we should grow in the wealth, okay, by earning good living. Okay, it stands for growth and prosperity. The wheel and the center of our national flag is taken from the lion capital of the great king Ashoka. Thus the wheel is called Ashoka Chakra. Earlier, the lion capital formed the top part of the famous Ashokan pillar at Sarnath, Uttar Pradesh. The capital here means the decorated top part of column. Okay, the top, this is called as the, what is this one? Decorated part of the top column. This is called as the capital. Okay. National anthem. Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. Okay. What is our national anthem? Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. Who wrote this? The famous poet Rabindranath Tagore. Who wrote our national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore. The song is of 5 stanzas. How many stanzas or paragraph? It is 5 stanzas. But only the first stanza has been chosen as our national anthem. Okay? Out of the 5 stanzas, the first stanza is chosen as our national anthem. It takes 52 seconds to sing the complete anthem. So even to sing the national anthem, we have certain rules. That is, it takes 52 seconds to sing the national anthem. The song praises our country and is a symbol of our unity. Okay, so it is praising the country and also it is a symbol of unity. That means as Indians we all should be united. The anthem is sung or played at important occasions such as Independence Day and Republic Day programs. It is also played when our sports persons take part in international sports events or competition. We should stand at attention to show our respect to our national anthem when it is sung or played. Next is national emblem. The national emblem is the official seal of the Government of India. Which is the official seal of the Government of India? It is the national emblem. Okay. It is seen on coins, currencies, notes and all papers of the government. Okay. You can see this national emblem, that is the seal of the government, in all the papers of the government. Okay. Like even the note which we have, the rupee note or the coins which we use, 5 rupee coin. Okay, and also 100 rupees note, 500 rupees note, you can see the this national emblem. Like the wheel of a national flag, the emblem is taken from the Sarnath lion capital. Look at the picture of the national emblem of our country closely. We see 3 lions. Okay, can you see here? There are 3 lions. Okay, but actually there are 4. Okay, in front we have 3. And behind this we have another one. Okay. So but in front we can see that there are 3. Okay. So you can see the pictures of lion. And then we can see a wheel. Here you can see a wheel. This is the Ashoka Chakra. And you can see a bull on right and a horse on left. Okay. Can you see? The bull is on the right and the horse is on the left. That means either side of the chakra you have 2 animals. Which are those animals? One is bull to the right and one is horse to the left. And which animal, wild animal do we have here? We have the lion. Okay. It also shows the outlines of other wheels on extreme right and left. The words Satyameva Jayate means truth alone triumphs are written at the bottom. So here it is written that, what is written here? Satyameva Jayate. Okay. So the meaning of that is truth alone triumphs. That means it is always that the truth wins. And on either side, here and here also we have one chakra. Okay. There are some other national symbols as well of our country. Let us look at the table given below. Our national song is Vande Mataram. Always remember that national anthem is Jana Gana Mana and national song is Vande Mataram. Then national animal is Royal Bengal tiger. Our national flower is lotus. National bird Indian peacock. National tree banyan tree. Our national symbols show the beauty of India. They make us feel proud to be Indians. We should respect our national symbols. We have completed this chapter. Complete exercise A, exercise B and C in your textbook and complete exercise D in your classwork. Thank you.